Hello 7th class student, this is a video of history, lesson number 1, tracing changes through 1000 years. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में मिडेवल पीरियड में जो चेंजेस हुए हैं उनके बारे में जानेंगे. फर्स्ट चेंज रिगार्डिंग यूज ऑफ मैप ऑफ इंडिया बाय अल-इदरीसी. दिस वाज बाय द अरब जोग्राफर अल-इदरीसी. It was made in 1154 CE. In this map, South India is where we would expect to find North India. Sri Lanka is an island at the top of India. The names of places are marked in Arabic and there are some popular places of Uttar Pradesh like Kannauj. ये ब्लू एरो श्रीलंका को नॉर्थ में शो कर रहा है जबकि श्रीलंका साउथ में है. मैप ऑफ इंडिया मेड बाय अ फ्रेंच कार्टोग्राफर. Cartographer is a person who makes map. It was drawn in the 720s, that is 600 years after map 1. This map is more familiar to us. The coastal areas in particular are detailed. It was used by the European sailor and merchant on their voyage, means a long journey by sea. Change to new and old terminology, means of various terms change over time. For example, meaning of the term Hindustan has changed over the centuries. हिंदुस्तान वर्ड का यूज डिफरेंट एरियाज के लिए किया गया था. पर्शियन क्रॉनिकर मिनाज-ए-शिराज, द एरिया ऑफ पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड द लैंड्स बिटवीन गंगा एंड यमुना. ही यूज्ड द टर्म in political sense for the land that were under Delhi Sultanate. Babur. The geography, the fauna and the culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinents. Amir Khusro used the term Hind in a similar way. Today, the modern nation state. पूरे इंडिया के लिए हिंदुस्तान वर्ड यूज करते हैं क्रॉनिकलर, वन हु कीप्स रिकॉर्ड ऑफ पास्ट इवेंट्स. Meaning of the term foreign has changed over the century past. A stranger who was not a part of a society or culture. Present, someone who is not an Indian. Change third. Historian and their sources. From archaeological evidence to literary sources. Sources available to the historian for the study of past. Archaeological evidence. Coins, inscription, architecture, forts, tomb and temples, paintings. Literary evidence, letter, teaching of saints, manuscripts, petitions and judicial records, holy texts, chronicles of rulers. Sources used by historians. Inscription on Qutub Minar, manuscripts, coins. History जानने में ये sources help करते हैं. Use of paper for writing manuscripts. Manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, rulers, monasteries and temples. They were placed in library as well as archives. Archives means collection of historical documents. These manuscripts and documents were rich and vital sources of information for the historians, but they were difficult to use. Scribes copied manuscript by hand. Manuscripts, handwritten book or documents. Scribes, a person who write books or documents by hand as a profession. Difficulties historians faced in using manuscripts. Scribes introduced numerous changes in manuscripts while copying because of less legible handwriting, personal bias, misinterpretation and exaggeration. Exaggeration means overstatement of facts. The small but significant changes grew over centuries of copying until manuscripts of the same text became substantially different from one another. Original manuscripts are rarely found. As a result, historians have to read different manuscript versions of the same text to guess what the author had originally written. मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स को कॉपी करते समय जब स्क्राइब्स मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स की हैंडराइटिंग समझ नहीं पाते थे तो वह अपनी समझ से उसे कॉपी कर देते थे. इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, द 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Bahrani wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and wrote another version 2 years later. Both the versions were different from each other. Historians were not aware of the existence of the earliest version till the 1960s because it remained lost in large library collection. Change 4. New social and political groups. New technologies made their appearance. Emergence of new groups. Changes due to extent of agriculture. Emergence of jatis. New changes in technology. Spinning wheel for weaving. Persian wheel for irrigation. Firearms for combat. New foods and beverages like tea, coffee, potatoes, corn, etc. Picture of Persian wheel. New social and political groups. Rajputas, Sikh, Ahoms, Jat, Kayasthas, Marathas. Rajputra, derived from the term Rajputra, mean son of a ruler, belong to the Kshatriyas caste. Included rulers, soldiers, commanders, chieftain. Main qualities were chivalry, courage and loyalty. Changes due to extent of agriculture. Forests were cleared. Life of forest dweller changed. Some migrate to town and cities. Many became patent. Many became part of large complex societies, tribes to the local loaders. New jatis came into existence. Jati meanings and functions. Jati or subcastes refer to grouping and ranking of people on the basis of their background and occupation. Ranks and status of jatis kept changing at different areas and time periods based on the power, influence and resources controlled by the members of the jati. Jati framed their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. These regulations were enforced by an assembly of elders known as Jati Panchayat. Jati were also required to follow the rules of their villages. Change 5. New regions and empire. An empire spanning diverse regions is known as pan-regional empire. Cholas, Mughals, Tughlaqs, Khiljis. Various regions had their distinct language and culture. Change 6. Old and new religions. Religions development. Hinduism, worship of new deities started. Importance of Brahmins grew. Temples were constructed by kings. Islam, it accepted the sovereignty of one God, that is Allah. Islam was interpreted in two ways by Shia and Sunni Muslim. Islam regarded Quran as their holy book. Idea of bhakti became popular. Devotees could reach their deities without the aid of priests of elaborate rituals. Fact about Islam: many rulers patronize Islam and the ulemas. Followers of Islam: Shia Muslim, Sunni Muslim. The Shia Muslim believed that the Prophet Muhammad's son-in-law Ali was the legitimate leaders of the Muslim community. The Sunni Muslims accepted the authority of the early and succeeding leaders, Khalifas of the community. Change 7th. Division of past into periods. History is broadly divided into two periods. Prehistory, no written records available. Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period and Neolithic period. Post-history, written records available. Ancient history, medieval history and modern history. British historians divided the history of India into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, British. Now your chapter is complete.